Okay, so being a content creator, being a YouTuber, it has its benefits. Today, I have a giant box from Raven Moto. Complete disclaimer, they sent all of this stuff to me for free. Let's check it out. What do we got in the box? Dude, there's a lot of stuff in here, Raven Moto. You guys are sneaky. They're sneaky. They're like sending me stuff. Oh, I already see coolness. I have these look like Storm 2s. So these are the new pair. These are the new design Storm 2s. Let's check them out. Raven Moto makes some of the best motorcycle riding gloves I have ever worn. Basically my go-tos. I don't usually wear my Alpine Stars or my Dainese gloves like ever. I wear these. These gloves are so nice. Because here's why Raven Moto gloves are much nicer than most of the other ones, is because they fit around your fingers really nice. And I just wish they would sew that pinky up. These are nice. Thank you, Raven. Gloves. These are another pair of claws. These are my favorite gloves. I wear these gloves every time I get on my motorcycle. Basically, yeah, basically every time I ride, I wear these. And these do have the pinky sewed. Nice. You get a lot of responsive out of the bike. You got some slide action, Kevlar here, grippy for responsiveness. There's tie down straps, bang, bang. And they're really thin and low profile, so they don't look real bulky. I love these gloves. Thank you, Raven. These are sick. Brand new pair. Oh, it must be nice to get all this free stuff from motorcycle companies and all this. It's like, yeah. It also must be nice to have to work 90 hours a week and film content for you guys and do that after my day job and then film videos and edit the videos and pick the music and all this stuff. It's a lot of work, so I don't want to hear it. These are Karmas in red and medium in code red. I have not seen these ones yet, even on their site. I don't know if these are new or I just missed them, but oh yeah, these are sick. Nice. They got Kevlar in the right here on the fingertips. Carbon fiber knuckle. Oh, they're so comfortable. Dude, look at these gloves. These are sick. Oh, it's a regular hoodie. Sweet. Oh, they know me too well. All black. Raven Moto hoodie. That's sick, guys. Damn. Just all black. I mean, you can ride it in if you want. It feels well made. It's just a nice little heavy hoodie. You can ride in this if you want. This is not armored. In here, these guys know everything about me. Green everywhere. Lime green boots, lime green helmet, and a red and white bike. Look at this the brightest thing you've ever seen in your life. This is an armored hoodie for sure. Oh, dude, look at this thing. Oh my god. Look at this thing. Oh, this is slick. It's a material is like I don't know. It's not cotton. I don't know what this is. This thing is Kevlar. Dude, this thing is sick, guys. Smells new. Dude. All right, let's read about it, because I don't know. This thing seems new. High-tech aramid fiber. Okay, enough of that. It's very squishy. Don't know if I would rely on that too much, but I don't wear back armor because I wear an airbag vest. But this is just like really like minimal protection. Bike night. Going to a bike night. Just going around with the boys. You want to wear a hoodie. You don't want to wear motorcycle gear. You want to have protection. And you want to be the brightest thing on the road ever. Plus, this thing looks sick. Dude, reflective Raven Moto. I kind of want to go ride. Although it's 50 degrees. So, it's going to have to wait. What else do we got in here? These seem heavy. No. All black. All black. Armored joggers. You guys seen my camouflage joggers? Look, they put a strap so they stop riding up out of the boot. They listen to me. This is funny. They put this strap. I'll probably cut it out because I don't really have that problem. I just noticed that some people will if they don't wear like boots like I wear. Like if you wear the sneaker version, these are gonna ride up. But this is a really good feature. These are their armored cargo joggers, Kevlar linered, and they added belt loop. They added a belt loop to the back. I don't believe the other ones have the belt loop. Another suggestion of mine, please put belt loops because they fall down a lot because they're heavy. And if you fall off your motorcycle and you have a heavy pan on, they're just going to pull off and your ass is going to be exposed and your cheeks are going to be rosy red from road rash with these. Can you guys imagine? Actually, let's imagine. Ooh, yeah, baby. It sounds like a GSXR. It sounds like a Gixxer. Okay. If you guys are interested in any of this gear, use my discount code HARDCITY, all caps. That'll get you 10% off. Thank you guys so much for all the support, and thank you, Raven Moto. I love you guys. Peace.